You know, in about 4 days, train's coming to New Jersey. So I sit here and I study. 75 cents a pop, I study. What's that train gonna do? It's gonna go all through town, huh? We'll take Greg Excellent with him. Fair enough. I guess Cherry Bomb found herself a good replacement. Why wouldn't you take a guy who's lost one match in his wrestling career? A guy like $5 wrestling superstar, Freight Train. Slow around the corners. Everybody in town's watching. Rest assured, December 14th in Voorhees, New Jersey, as I'm freaking people out at the mall, I'm going to give everybody another Cage of Death memory. Oh, and you know the Undertaker Cage of Death. Mom Excellent's going to be there. If you haven't bought your tickets, if you're not ready to buy them, okay, miss this one. Catch it on YouTube and some bull nonsense. December 14th. 75 cents a pop. $5 wrestling. $12 in tolls. Find yourself in Voorhees. Coming train. Choo choo.